Good day, sir. I am Mark Justin C. Pisaras presenting the criminal justice system. An introduction of the law enforcement. The criminal justice system, the PNP, power of functions of PNP, crime detection, arrest and search warrant, and patrol. The criminal justice system. In the criminal justice in the Philippines, we have the five pillars on which these pillars are the main foundation of the criminal justice system. And today's lesson, we will discuss on the first pillar of the criminal justice system and what is the law enforcement. Enforcement, surveillance, investigation, effecting an arrest. They are the initiator or the prime mover of all five pillars of the criminal justice system. Here in the Philippines, their main purpose of is to enforce the law to the community. Functions of law enforcement: first, to prevent criminal behavior; second, to reduce crime; third, to apprehend and arrest officers; fourth, to protect the life of property; fifth, to regulate non-criminal conduct. The examples of law enforcement agencies: the IPOFIL, PCTC, NICA, BIR, OTS, MMDA, SEC, LTO, OSG, DOLE, BFP, BGMP, POEA, NTC, CAAP, DOF, Ombudsman, and IACAT. What are the three premier enforcement agencies in the Philippines? So we have three. First, the Philippine National Police. Second, the National Bureau of Investigation. Third, the Bureau of Internal Revenue in cases of the tax evasion. PNP and its background. Philippine National Police is the main police force agency in the Philippines, created or mandated by the Congress to establish one police force on a national level. It is mandated by the Congress via RA 6975, otherwise known as the DILG Act of 1990, reorganizing the Department of Interior and Local Government, and it is established in January of 1999. It is recognized once again on February 28, 1988 by RA 8551, or the Philippine National Police Reform Act of 1988. It is hereby declared the policy of the state to establish a highly efficient and competent police force that is national in scope and civilian in character, administered and controlled by the National Police Commission. Purpose of their organization: increase visibility through dispersal of the personnel from the headquarters to the field officers; efficient and optimized delivery of police services to the community. Under RA 6975, what are the powers of function of PNP? Enforce all laws and ordinances relative to the protection of lives and properties. Maintain peace and order, to take all the necessary steps to ensure public safety. Investigate and present crimes, effect the arrest of the criminal offenders, bring the offenders to justice and assist their prosecution. Exercise the general power to arrest, search, and seizure in accordance with the Constitution to pertinent laws. Detain an arrested person for a period not beyond what is the prescribed laws, reforming the person so detained to all rights under the Constitution. Issue a license for a possession of firearms and explosive in the accordance to the law. Supervise and control the training and the operation of security agencies, and the issue a license of operate security agencies, and to secure guards and private detectives for the practice of their professional and perform such as other duties and exercises, all other functions as be provided by the law. Basically, the powers enumerated under RA 6975 can be general categorized into four types. What are they? They are the following: order maintenance, community service, law enforcement, a neighborhood policing or team policing, community policing. Crime detection. Crime detection is the process to identifying a crime, finding a suspect, and gathered evidence to charge the suspect. Through crime detection, the police are typically the first component of the justice system to deal with the commission of the crime. How is crime detection? The victim, the witness, and the police. By bust operation, a way that and means are resorted to by the police officers in order to catch law violator. Rationing refers to when the police relatively enforce criminal law for various reasons. Cause, which translates to reasonable groups, where the man or the accused will only be put into custody if there is a reasonable cause that they are participating or the one investigating the criminal action. Search warrant. An order was issued in the name of the Philippines, signed by the judge, and given to the police officers them to legally search the place of the accused or the place that is found to be oddly suspicious, commanding him to search for the personal properly and correlates to the court's case. Arrest and search warrant. An arrest in the act done by the law enforcer, particularly the PNP, in which they take a person into custody for the person to be questioned about the accused crime he committed. The importance of arrest in the law enforcement. As said in the previous slide, prosecution should not exist in the arrest did occur. Under the court, a trial cannot be made and there is no presence of the individual being accused or absentia. The accused also have some rights started in the Constitution requirements, such as the right to be heard, to remain silent, and for them to consolidate with their lawyers. An exemption only the accused has already been arraigned or identified by the first-hand witness. Search warrant. The following is the property to be seized, subject of offense, stolen or impels, and other proceeds, fruits of the offense, used or intended to be used as the means of the commission of crime. The difference of warrantless or with arrest warrant. When the person to be informed of his warrant and he tries to flee, when the police has every right to capture the man and no warrant will be needed for them to arrest him. But if he completes, then the process will be remained as usual. Consequence of warrant arrest. The police found the man committing a crime with his own eyes when an offense has been made and he has the probable cause to believe that the person has committed it. When the person is escaped of a spend established general rule of search and seizure for the search searcher of the safe from the march charge such as theft or robbery while commencing the search and seizure any civil and administered liabilities. Exception. Warrantless search identically to the lawful arrest caught on act, seizure or evidence on a plan viewed search of a moving vehicle consisted warrantless search, stop and risk search exigent and emergency circumstances. What is the reason for the limitation of exercise of these powers by the police. It is a part of the Constitution and to avoid abuse the power of the evidence obtaining by unlawful obtaining evidences can be used in the court. Now any evidence obtained unlawful cannot be used on you in the court. Exclusionary rule. What do you call this rule not admitting to this unlawful obtaining evidence? It includes rules that metaphorical sense the fruit of the poisonous tree. What is the importance of police patrol in the administration of CGS? Patrol is the only police function that is directly responsible of the crime prevention. Crime prevention is one of the main goals of the criminal justice system. What is the purpose of patrol? The main purpose of patrol is to provide police visibility. By providing police visibility, the patrol officer creates a basic psychology effect, but only logical that the presence of the police officer eliminates the opportunity on the part of the would-be violator or commit a crime. Opportunity being one of the elements in the commission of the offense. The other is desire. By eliminating the opportunity, crime cannot exist anymore because the two elements must coexist. Other authors suggest that the presence, the lack of instrument or tools may be consideration. It is a crime can be committed. Others suggest that the question of capability of the would-be offender can be an element to consider if the crime can be committed. However, no one can really prevent a determined person to commit a crime. Criminal investigation. What is the importance of criminal investigation and the administration of CGS? Criminal investigation is important to the administration of CGS because one of the purpose of criminal investigation is to gather and preserve evidence that will justify their enforcement action in the particular case, as well as enable the fact including process of the courts and the prosecution of the case successfully and obtain conviction. Define criminal investigation. Criminal investigation is the art which deals with the identity and the location of the offender and gathered evidence of its guilt and criminal proceedings. An investigator is one who is charged with the duty of carrying an objectives in the investigation, such as identify the criminal, locate the criminal, provide or gather evidence for his guilt. 8 qualities of good investigator must have an ability to persevere despite obstacles or monotony of investigation, must have ability and intelligence to obtain vital information easily, must be honest, incorruptible, and with personal integrity, must have a knowledge of a psychology of the human behavior, must have a sufficient understanding of people and their environment, must have a keen power to observation and memory retention to accurately describe what he had seen, must be resourceful and quick-witted, must have a adequate and general understanding of the rules, evidence, and the rules of procedures and elements of the specific and crimes under investigation. Crime prevention refers to the strategies, action, and the measure taken to reduce or eliminate the occurrence of criminal activities. It involves the efforts aimed at deterring potential offenders, reducing opportunities for crime, and addressing underlying social, economics, or environmental factors that contribute to criminal behavior. These can include community investigate, law enforcement tactics, public police, and educational program designed to promote safety and discourage illegal actions. Police image and administration of criminal justice system. Police image. The police image refers to how the public sees and trusts the police. It depends on their actions, fairness, and effectiveness in enforcing the law. A good image helps build community trust, while a bad image can lead to fear and lack of cooperation. Community oriented policing service or corps. Community oriented policing service or corps is strategy where the police work closely with the community to prevent crime and improve the public safety. It is focuses on building strong relationship, solving problems together, and if the causes and encouraging community environment in the crime prevention according to the broken window theory by the Wilson and Killick. This organization can lead to the increased crime, so the police must help organize and strengthen communities, increase police visibility, efficient police service, engage with the community, offer community service, and media coordination. These are the five in on how to enhance the police image. So first, the increased police visibility disperse officers from headquarters to field offices. Efficient police service ensure quick, fairness, and effective service delivery of communities. Engage with the community, hold regular meetings with the local leaders and barangay officials. Officer community service, conduct seminars and traffic aids, police aids, and barangay tanods. Media coordination, work with the media on the projects to improve the police image. Discretion refers to the freedom, makes choices among possible action based on how officers' knowledge, education, training, and skills. It is an informal observance of rules, often involving critical decisions involving citizens' life, liberty, honor, and property. The exercise detection can be life or death, as it can result police brutality, excessive use of force, police officers' negligence of the duties, physical incos- incapacitation, serious injuries, or even death. Examples: use of deadly force. An officer encountered an armed suspect acting aggressively, instead of immediately firing, their attempt to de-escalation first, such as issuing verbal commands or using the non-lethal option like teaser. Investigating a suspicious person. An officer seeks someone acting suspiciously in the area known for crime but chooses to observe rather than immediately detain the individual.